Welcome to a world where creativity meets profit. Discover the power of Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, or KDP, and how Canva can help transform your passion for writing into a lucrative endeavor. Step 1. It all begins with your content. Canva is your canvas, offering a plethora of templates and design tools that will help you create a professional-looking book cover and layout. Choose a template that resonates with your genre and then add your personal touch. Whether it's your title, author name, or a compelling image, make it uniquely yours. Next, delve into the heart of your book, the interior layout. Canva offers the flexibility to create stunning chapters, captivating text pages, and additional content. Play around with fonts, colors, and layouts until it's not just a book, but a visual journey for your readers. Once your masterpiece is ready, it's time for step 2. Publishing on Amazon KDP. Create an account if you haven't already, and then click on the Create a New Title button. Fill in your book details, select the right categories, and set your price. With Canva and Amazon KDP, uploading your content is a breeze. Download your cover and interior layout from Canva as PDF files, and then upload them to Amazon KDP. After a quick preview, hit the Publish button, and voila! Your book is now live on Amazon, ready to make a splash in the literary world. Step 3 is all about promotion. Canva's marketing tools and templates are at your disposal to create compelling promotional materials. Design eye-catching social media graphics, newsletters, and banners to announce your book to the world. Don't shy away from ads on platforms like Facebook and Instagram to reach a wider audience. Your network is your net worth. Share links to your book on your website, blog, and social media profiles. Involve your friends, family, and followers in your journey by encouraging them to share your posts and reviews. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day. Building an audience takes time and effort, but with patience and persistence, your marketing efforts will pay off. And that, dear listeners, is the essence of making money on Amazon KDP using Canva. It's a marriage of creativity and profit, where your ideas can transform into books that reach readers across the globe. So why wait? The world of writing, designing, and publishing awaits your arrival.